Hello everyone and welcome to this project video. Today I'm going to show you how I made a smart cloud protector system by using Arduino. And the system is designed to automatically cover clothes when it starts to rain to protect them from getting wet. It's a simple, low-cost solution and perfect for both household and even for outdoor situations like camping. The idea comes from a common situation we all face. You hang your clothes outside to dry, everything is fine until it starts to rain. Sometimes you're not at home, you're busy, and forget to bring them in, so the clothes end up getting all wet again. It's not just annoying, but also wasting time. In some cases, it can also lead to moldy clothes or even smell musty. It's hard to predict sudden rain shower or storm, especially during the rainy season. So this project aims to solve that issue with a simple and automatic system. And here is the concept. The rain sensor will detect moisture, while servo motor will pull a shade or move the clothes under cover, and the whole process will be controlled by an Arduino. It will read the signal from the rain sensor and tell the servo what to do. The entire setup is quite simple, affordable, and can be customized to fit your specific need. Let's go through material used in this project. You will need Arduino, a micro servo, a rain sensor module, some jumper wire, cardboard for structure, or any material that you can use to make a structure for it, and also double-sided tape. And the last one is Arduino IDE. You can find all these items online or in any electronic store. Now let's move on to the circuit setup. It is actually pretty straightforward. We have the servo and the rain sensor as two main components. Start with the servo connection, which is here. We will connect the red wire of the servo to the 5-volt pin, and the black wire go to the ground pin, while the yellow wire go to pin 9. So this pin will send the control signal to the servo. And next one is rain sensor connection. We will connect the VCC pin to the 5-volt pin, and the ground pin go to the ground Arduino. Finally, the 0 go to the pin 2. So this pin will read the sensor output and trigger the whole system. And also I power this project directly through the USB connection, but you can use an external DC power source if you prefer. Next, let's look at the code. In the first part, we include the servo library here to control the servo motor, and we create a servo object named myServo. Next part is to define the pin number to each component. First one is rain sensor pin is connected to pin 2, while the servo pin is connected to pin 9. In the setup function, we set the rain sensor pin as an input. Then we attach the servo to pin 9. And the servo is set to 0 degree at the beginning, meaning closed or uncovered. And the serial monitor starts at 9600 baud to help us see live sensor reading. For loop function, we store the digital signal from rain sensor pin in sensor value, and this value will be printed in the serial monitor. If it's low, then the rain is detected, pulling the clothes in, and print rain detected, bring the clothes in. If no rain is detected, the servo will move back to 0 degree, uncovering the clothes, and print no rain, hang the clothes again. And the other thing I want to mention is when I first tested the servo, it wasn't at the correct angle for my setup. So what I did was I ran the code first, to let the servo move into the starting position. Then I took off the shade arm and reattached it again so that it will be in the correct position. And so if you notice the arm is not in the right place, don't worry. Just let the servo run the code first and just adjust the arm afterward. Yes. And finally, the last slide here, we include a 1 second delay before checking again. So this help us avoid too much rapid movement because when I write the code without this one, the output in serial monitor run quite too fast. So I just add this one to help it more slower. Yes. And next one will be my project setup video. Here is the setup, and this one here is rain sensor which connect to pin 2, which is blue one, and the servo is connect to pin 9, this one, the yellow one. And now the sensor is dry, so the servo is in its original position, which is 0 degree, and there will be text showing no rain, hang the clothes again. So now let's simulate the rain by using the wet tissue by pressing the sensor to feel the moisture, and it will send a signal to Arduino to make the servo move 90 degrees to pull the clothes in, and there will also be the text show that rain detected, bring the clothes in. But when I remove it, that means the rain sensor is now dry again, so the servo will move to its original position again, and the same text will showing up right here. So this is how it works. Yes, and as you can see in the video that the rain sensor has pads that detect moisture when water connect them. It will trigger a low signal. Yes, so the Arduino will read it and send a command to the servo motor. So that's how it know how, when to move and when to reset. Yes, and this project is based on a tutorial I found on Instructable. Furthermore, I also made a few adjustments to the code by adding more readable serial print message to make it easier to follow what's happening. And even though I use the serial monitor for debugging, but actually you could add a small LCD display to make it more user-friendly, or add a buzzer as an alert when it starts raining. Yes, and that's it for my presentation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.